Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix your Discord screen freezing or showing a black or gray screen. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to close the programs related to Discord. To do this, first click on the start icon and search for Task Manager. Once the Task Manager opens, you will see a list of tasks. Now type Discord in the search bar. Now right-click on the Discord process and click on End Task. This will close all the programs related to the Discord. The next thing to do is to delete all the cache files that are related to the Discord. To do this, first click on the start icon and search for Run. In the Run box, type %appdata% and press Enter. Now you will see a lot of files there. Locate the Discord folder and delete it. Now, click on the App Data folder at the top. Now, double-click on the local folder to open it. Find the Discord folder again and delete it. Once this step is done, we need to flush the DNS cache. To do this, click on the Start icon and search CMD and run it as administrator. Now, type the following command, ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once the cache is cleared, close the command prompt. Now, open your favorite browser and search for Discord. Click on the Download menu. Now, click on the Download for Windows button. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts to install the Discord app. Once the app is installed, log back into your Discord account. That's it. Your Discord should now be working perfectly. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.